Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on our country locations. I'm from India, Dr. Venugopal Viramaneni. People can call me Viramaneni or Dr. Venu. Today, suddenly decided 2 days ago to share some knowledge about Feng Shui and or Vastu and what is the relation with the colors and Vastu. That is my intention to go further with this. Now, before going that some of the new members are here, I want to give very brief about me before whom I am I want to show very brief 5 minutes about talk about me, then I'll go to the real presentation. Okay, this is Dr. Viramaneni and Vastu and Astrology Consultant. As we know, Asia or India is the very richest country in science and technology as well as mythology and very ancient history of Ayurveda, yoga, astrology and Vastu. I'm a person taken care about astrology and Vastu. My journey started in 1970, which is my year of birth. Surprisingly, in 1980, at the age of my 10 years, I started astrology services to my poor people, village people, my neighbors, relatives. Without any family history and knowledge of the astrology, I gave the solutions with my intuition power and past life power. That's where I started at age of 10. But I want to be a doctor. I did my master's in drug discovery and I've done my doctorate in drug discovery and I work for the pharma industry 21 years. Then I'm not happy with my job where I get more money, but I'm reaching to only one person, my owner of the company. But if I take a astrology or Vastu or Feng Shui or fortune telling, I can reach more people. That is the main indication. I left the job. I was getting lakhs of rupees salary. You don't believe that. Today my salary is supposed to be 2.5 crores. But I don't mind what I'm getting. I want to reach more people. That is the intention to come out of the job. I started my consultation in 2014. And my journey in the 2017, good friends together, I joined in the BNI, where I got a good culture of the networking, helping each other. In 2018, a company registered as a trademark. And 2019, I'm only one person across the globe having ISO certification as a Feng Shui and Vastu consultant. And 2020, I'm only the person covered in the Forbes editorial. No one in the world, fortune teller or astrologer or Feng Shui consultant, Vastu consultant, they never covered in the Forbes magazine. I'm only the person covered in the Forbes magazine. That's a big achievement. In 2021, as of today, I received 90 national and international awards for my consultation, trainings, and my presentations. As of now, my students are 300, my clients are 18,000. I've done 7 post-graduations and 3 PhDs, almost all my university topper. None of them just off subject, off knowledge. Whatever a subject I come into that, I fulfill my expectations, do everything perfectly to reach top in the college, top in the school. All the sciences I'm top. Now I'm doing 2 more masters in psychology and astronomy from US. I help the people who have the health problem, wealth problem, professional relationship problem using the Vastu and astrology, whatever the science. I'm just running that. What I do, nature has 5 elements: air, water, space, earth, fire. This 5 element is nature is having. This 5 element is our body is having. A harmony between 5 elements in the nature. Nature will be very nicely. There is no natural calamities. One element is dominated, one element is damaged, natural calamities comes. Similarly, in our body, one element is damaged, then you will fall in sick. Similarly, our building constructed with the 5 elements: water, air, fire, earth, space. Everything is involved in construction of the building. If any element is damaged in our building, the particular element result will not come to us, then you start facing the problem. That is elements. Then you come to the right activities. What are you doing? Are you cooking right place? Are you eating right place? Are you sleeping right place? Are you meeting right place? Are you studying right place? Are you working right place? You don't know. A science is there thousands years back. They clearly mentioned what is the place, what activity supposed to do, what I'm experienced in, explained to guide you people to work further. Also, the people target desires. They have a lot of expectations. How to reach your expectations, how to attract your desires, how to using law of attraction. How law of attraction related to Vastu or Feng Shui. I will understand your expectations. I will make use of that Vastu principle to get solution instantly. That's what I'm expert. And law focus. Are you focusing properly? Are you doing right business? Are you doing right work? As per your date of birth, time of birth, your birthplace, is it matching your focus? Are you deviating? Are you focused? That I'm expecting guide you. What can be focused to reach your goal and get the result? And other one, power of intuition. It is very important, everyone here. The intuition power is important for all the sciences, particularly the spiritual sciences. I'm a person started my consultation at the age of 10 with intuition power. Ask me any question, instantly I can give the answer. One of my friends said just now, you want to buy a house. He was dreaming that house last 3 years, but the seller is not selling. I just, with my intuition power, I said, you don't go and ask the seller. The seller will come to you, sell you building. Wait 3 months, he will come to you. Exactly 3 months, he come to him and he sell his own building. That is power of intuition. That's what I use from my clients, which is in India followed last 5,000 years. I'm a designer of buildings, I do corrections. I want to spend little time here. I'm a trainer of the trainer in Vastu. That's the Feng Shui. My students come from US, Australia, New Zealand, Dubai, Alaska, Saudi, Africa, New Zealand, then Germany, Italy, Russia, US. These countries, architects, interior designers, they believe Indian culture. They love Indian culture of the science. They come and learn the science and adding value to their profession. They said that in their business card, we are Indian Feng Shui consultant. Then they are getting more premium consultation fees. My students are there, 13 countries, they are doing great. I'm doing online services, online trainings, as well as offline trainings. I'm an astrologer, that as I mentioned. I'm a business card designer. Vastu business card is very closely related. What is the place of the card? What is the content you are going to place? That is important in the business card. What color is your business card? What color is the content? What is your logo? Is it attracting? Where you are supposed to place in the card to attract your clients. Business card cannot be colorful card. Colorful card instantly attracted by the client, immediately throw on the dustbin. So should not be like that. Business card is life of your business. He will see, keep in his purse, wallet. He will study when you get a time and he will never throw. He will take the card, instantly see the card with a colorful, okay, yes, then throw out. It should not be like that. I'm expert in designing that. I'm expert in dowsing. Dowsing means finding lost items. This I do very regularly. One of member is here. He called me, brother, I lost 1 lakh rupees. I'm not finding. I was telling, it is their particular cupboard. Go to evening for 6 o'clock. You find 1 lakh cover. He was searched the same place 100 times. But when I gave the time exactly, went and searched that 1 lakh cover is there in the cupboard. It is one example. I've done hundreds of examples using the dowsing. I want to give the last one slide. These are the countries my clients are there. Please do believe Vastu or Feng Shui is not only India, not only China. Wherever human being is there, wherever human being is there, wherever livings are there, residence is there, office is there, where you can go and use that. Maybe approach is different. Maybe application is a different, but principles are same and target is same. That is Vastu. These are the countries my clients are there. I spread across the globe, 46 countries. This is my credentials in the Vastu. So though I'm going to shift into the what exactly Feng Shui and Vastu. Give me the 1 minute time. Sorry. Vastu science is a systematic and scientific approach. It is a systematic and scientific approach. It is not religious science. It is not Hindu science. It is not Indian science. It is science for everyone. Everybody can follow. Some of knowledge people, book knowledge people, Google knowledge people may make a comment, but a real scientist will understand what science behind the Vastu. That I want to go take you some tour. What is the Vastu? Vastu is simple, harmony between people and nature. That is the first. How you can go along with the nature. Then nature has a 5 elements. Each and every element has a balance in between. The same nature has a 5 elements. Our body has a 5 elements should be synchronized together. Space, water, air, fire, earth. These are the 5 elements should be together, help to us. Earth will give magnetic energy. Water will give the gravitational attraction. Fire will give the solar radiation. Air will give the end energy. Space with the cosmic radiation. These are the power of energies we'll get from the nature to the house, from the house to the you person stay in the house. Then you will not face any problem if you understand Vastu or Feng Shui. What is the definition? A definition, balancing of 5 elements in net usable area. A right activities, right place, nothing but Vastu. Vastu is science. Some pseudo people talk that Vastu is a pseudo science. Let them talk. Vastu is a science. I'm a scientist. You know that I'm a scientist. How can I believe? Because Vastu is science. Any science, it may be chemistry, it may be computers, it may be engineering, automobile, whatever you call so-called science has a 5 characters. Character number rational 1, character number 1 rational, practicable, permanent, and principle and universal. These 5 principles should be followed any science. This Vastu science also followed 5 principles. It is very rational. It is a practicable. You can practice Vastu and design the building as per Vastu. It is a permanent. If I give the one solution in the Vastu, you get a result in permanent. You need not change it again. It is a principled. Vastu run on the principles. Vastu runs on the very old age principles. It is a universal. It is not in India or Sri Lanka or Singapore. It is applied anywhere in the globe. I connected to the 46 countries. It indicates throughout the globe they are doing that. I give example. It was a June 2019, date around 16 or 17, 16. In the Cambridge University, I see the 308 people. I am only the poor Indian was there in the standing the Cambridge University auditorium. They talk about astrology. They talk about psychology. I got opportunity to talk about psychology, astrology, and Vastu space science. It was very good experience that all 120 countries people are following these sciences. Then only I come to know that Vastu or astrology is already practicing years together, ages together and across the globe. There are the energy levels in the house. There, if you take your house or building or industry, a space, we divide into the 81 parts. Like we can make like 4 levels, the middle level, second level, third level, fourth level. These are the called energy levels. This energy centrics. I'm not going to deeper science just for the idea purpose. These energy centrics as a colors, energy powers. This energy powers will give to us, if the people who are staying in that house. It may result good or bad, health or wealth, harmony, relationship, everything connected to the energy powers in the building. That's called Vastu. Then I want to take a time here. When you construct a house, you need to see that our professor is there, our architects are there in the meeting now. There, Professor Rohan is there, is a triple PhD, is an architect, structural engineer, as well as is a PhD in the furniture designing. You know that when you design a building, we need to see the pillars. We need to see the heavy weights. When you put heavy weights in the house, you consider your four walls. Look into that, where are the heavy weights? It is very dangerous when you place the heavy weights without knowledge. I want to take a minute here. You imagine that you are sleeping on your house, putting your head into the northeast, You imagine that you cover a total your floor plan. You imagine you covered your total body in the total floor plan. If the pillar is coming into the points like a red point, you imagine that one pillar is there in the head position in your house. What happened? The person has a lot of brain-related issues and cancers and regular health-related problems. It will come to the family member who is having weak in their birth chart. Similarly, the pillar is there in this part of neck. Here they problem, neck problem, and the kids, they lose their speech, and they lose their speech already. Also, they have the throat cancer. This is called marmasthana. This is called sensitive points in the house. Should avoid heavy weight. Should avoid pillars when you design. If the person call me, they will keep on talking about their health problems. I can able to imagine that how their house is there. Immediately I can tell that there is a nail, there is a sofa. The sofas are different. The sofa is single leg sofa, total weight on the touching floor on the say one particular point that is hitting on the floor. The particular energy level will affect on the family. So that we need to understand. It is in detailed Vastu consultant advisor will help you. That's the reason. If you have a health problem, if the doctor doesn't take this, doctor doesn't understand, the medicines are not working for you, you need to think alternatively. We have the very good alternate science like Ayurveda and Siddha and like a Vastu, astrology. Then you get a solution. If you don't get a solution like a so-called science in the allopathic, you will get the solution from any science called Vastu or Feng Shui. Now I want to just skipping to the things. Most we are talking about a color story here today. Vastu means, as I mentioned, Vastu means 5 elements. Vastu means 5 elements. Water, air, fire, earth, space. Water, air, space, earth. These are the 5 elements is involved in the Vastu because these are the 5 elements part of our nature. How they related to the Vastu? In the 5 elements, they call different way. If you go to the Babylonian, they say wind, fire, earth, sea, sky. If you go to the medieval alchemy, they say 8 elements. They don't say 5 elements. Air, fire, water, earth, ether, sulfur, mercury, soil. Greek talks about 5 elements: air, weather, fire, earth, and ether. Chinese talk wood, water, earth, fire, and metal. Japanese talks about air, water, earth, fire, void. Hindu or Buddhist are 5 elements. Asian people talk about Vayu, wind, air, Jal, water, Agni, fire, Prithvi, earth, Akash, space. Tibetan people talk again air, fire, water, earth, ether. Whatever the world talks, around the 5 elements only. These 5 elements are related to building, nature, body. When you treat your body, 5 elements. When you look into the nature, 5 elements. When you look into the building, talk about 5 elements. Now I'm talking about 5 elements. The 5 elements should be created from each other. How it creates? Water comes from the space. The space, clouds, produces water. Water nourishes air or wood. Water, if you give some fire, evaporates and convert into the air. The air will convert feeds into the fire. Air convert into the fire. And fire convert into the earth. How? The fire is, after the fire, left over the mass is the earth. The earth, the crust will go space above the air that convert into the space, and space comes to the water. Please, my friends, understand, it is called cycle of creation. Water gives the air gives the fire gives the earth gives the space gives the water. Here, our divine created very nicely, but it should not be, any element should not be more or less. It's actually controlled by itself. Then only it creates harmony. When you are thinking about control, if there is a fire is excess, water extinguishes fire. If the space is excess, fire will go and burn the space. And wood is excess, air is excess, the space cut the air. If earth is excess, the air cuts the earth. If water is excess, you put earth there to control the water flow. And it is interrelated. If you take a water, if you take air, fire, earth, space, each and every element has a interrelation with other 4 elements. That's called harmony between 5 elements leads into the balance of 5 elements. How it is related to Vastu, I'll come back to that. Because each and every element has a significance. Each and every element has a representation. Each and every element has a representation with a color and a metal. If you take this one, theory of karma, water creates wood, wood gives a fire, fire gives earth, earth gives a space, space gives a water. If water is excess, earth will control. If the fire is excess, water is controlled. If a space is excess, fire is controlled. And if wood is excess and metal is controlled. And earth is controlled, earth is excess, then air will be controlled. Now, what is the reason Vastu here? Now I will explain. Water has a color blue. Please remember, water color is a blue, air color is a green, fire color is a red, earth color is a yellow, space color is a white. Now, I'll take an example. Most of Indian culture or Western culture, whatever the culture comes into that, when you want to put a fire, you put it to southeast. Your kitchen is in the southeast. Southeast or south comes under fire zone. The fire zone should be red color. If you put a blue color in the fire zone, if you put a blue color in the fire area, the blue color indicates water. The blue color indicates the water. The blue color put into the fire area in the southeast or south where your kitchen is there, that fire impact will reduces with the blue color. Means the water extinguishes the fire will reduces the southeast, then what fire is supposed to give, you will not get it. And other word, I'll take a live example. One person has a good money. He start giving to the friends by hand loan or investing in the land, invest in the share market. That southeast indicates liquid money. The fire is indicate liquid money. When the liquid money are distributed to the different places like investment or loans or something else, then there is a blue color in your fire area, that is southeast. There is a blue color in the southeast. What happens? That blue color kills that power of the fire zone. Then when the power of the fire zone is killing by the blue color, your liquid money will get damages. What it get damages? The person will not give back the money. He will skip and your recovery go lost. Where you are invested in the outside market or any market, you will not get appreciation. You will go to the stock market, exactly, your stocks are come down. If you invest in the land, exactly, your land rate come down. That is the best examples. I'll take some more example when I go to the room wise. There is a very nice references. I'm not telling stories, my friend. Lot of people, scientists across the globe doing research on the colors and culture, colors on the attitude, colors on the psychology, colors on the behavior, colors on the buying capacity. Everything, lot of research is going. When you go to the showroom, they design with the different colors. The colors will attract to invite inside the showroom. May not, no guarantee they will buy the item. But we need to create an ambience of the showroom. Client has to come inside, attracted by this product, display, you need to buy. Without buying, you cannot go out of the shop. These are the researches are going many countries. The best research is going in the Reza Islamic Azad University in Iran. I gone through a lot of publications, more than 1,000 publications. I did research in the colors versus the behavior. Those behaviors and linked with the Vastu and Feng Shui. That's the reason I'll give the simple solutions with the colors. See the European Journal of Psychology, they give the effect of color on anchoring heuristic of consumer decision making. Consumer decision making based on the colors in the signboard, colors in the entrance, colors in the display area. It is published by Korean scientists in European Psychology paper. I can talk about 3 to 5 hours about these publications only. Just I'm giving one example. If I'm taking the blue color, I love the blue color. Why? Why? Blue is opportunity. What is the key character? Trust, loyalty, dependability, logic, serenity, security. What is the bad? Coldness, emotionless, unfriendliness, unappetizing. Why unappetizing? If you take more water, you don't get a thirst. You don't want to take food because blue is equal water. If there is a more blue color in where you are sitting, you don't feel appetite. You don't feel to take the food. Where I use the design, I'll take example. When I design the restaurant, I ask the owner, are you going to a la carte or buffet? The owner says, sir, I am going a la carte and buffet. What I do? And the buffet section, I'll put a blue color. More full blue color lighting design, I'll give a blue color lighting. I'll put a buffet table there. The person come to the restaurant, they will go to the buffet place where the lot of blue color that affect on their subconscious and subconscious mind. I'm full. They start taking liquids more. They take a soup. They take a food with the liquids, gravies. They don't touch a starters. They don't touch a main course. Then hotel here will get a benefit. Hotel here investment on the only starters major. They'll take a more ice cream. That doesn't matter. Let him eat for half kg ice cream. But if they eat a starter of the half kg, there's a big investment. So that way colors affect. That way colors are affected in your logo, brand, office, wherever you go. That's a blue color effect. Also some logos. Who likes, wow, women, how much percentage of women likes the blue color? Loyal, respectful, and social. The gender preference also is there. It's very big research is going across the globe. Colors, attitude, behavior. When you go to the house, you like, wow, very good house. You may be liking that color, but only the owner who stays there, he keep on exposing that color. He knows the impact of the color. You doesn't know that. We go to see logos. I'm seeing showing some logos here. Facebook, Ford, American Express, they are the blue color logos. They are reaching very successful to the people. PayPal, globally reaching, because water, blue are same. Water has a quality to flow whenever get opportunity. Water is a quality flow wherever get opportunity. No one can stop until you stop with earth. Then I'm going to the green color. Health, hope, freshness, nature, growth, and prosperity. Each and every color has the same story. I'm going to share this presentation. Who are interested, put me on personal window message. I love to share. There is no secret. It is my own research and others' research. Both combinedly I'm presenting you. Green color behavior. Open-minded, friendly-minded, authentic. Why open-minded, friendly-minded? Green is responsible East. East is responsible to society. You want to be very friendly with the society and open-minded to the neighbors. Green color is good, is your East part of the building. You will be very comfortable to talk to everyone, very open-minded and friendly manner. They feel that you are authentic person, you are loyal person. That we need to get from the color impact. But these are logos, you can see that Animal Planet. And these are the logos. They are their own inside ideas, why they put to reach more people. Android. Each and every logo has its own reason to take up the colors. This is the red color. Very positive, power, fashion, energy, fearlessness, excitement. Anger is negative, danger, warming, defense, aggressive. These are the color logos there in the market. Why I'm taking this example, we are all business people sitting here. We need to understand what is our logo, what we are doing, to whom we are connecting, who is our target market, who is our clients. Think about all these things when you do the branding, when you use a business card, when you use the things, as well as when you use house plan and house designing. These are the same, just I'm running the fast because of the time constraint. A lot of things are supposed to discuss, and I'm go to the I want to talk about little about your colors. See, my friend, it is the very nice yellow color is a kitchen. These are all kitchens. I'm showing here kitchens because I love home ministers because every day morning they feed us tea, coffee, bread, everything comes from the kitchen. Without kitchen, we cannot do anything. So these are the color of kitchens. Please, the kitchen, you can see the middle, lot of blue color is there. You need to see that the kitchen location, if it is the south or southeast, gone. Their liquid money gone. They are in all loans, debts, lot of problem in their house. Also, women who standing that kitchen regularly, they have the iron problem, hemoglobin problem. Their iron content, hemoglobin content very low. I'm guarantee you can go and check your friends and family members house. We are having green, blue color in the kitchen. First, they lost the money. There's no recovery of the money. They had a problem with health related to women, health related. Maybe servant standing way more time. Then servant has a problem of health, particularly pneumonia, and iron content is less, hemoglobin content is less, the weakness, and also a diabetic hormone imbalance. Those things comes. If it come to the green color kitchen, is very nice color combination. Come to the red color, is very nice in the kitchen. Only the blue color, these blue colors are not allowed in the kitchen. If the kitchen is at south or southeast or south of southeast. If you go to the drawing rooms, very funny. A lot of our designers make very designing drawing rooms. Wow, very nice designing. My friends, look into the colors. Colors are effect on our subconscious mind. Colors affect on our subconscious mind. Attraction is not that easy. It will impact on our subconscious mind. Then conscious mind will not control under subconscious mind. You take a wrong decisions. I can take example of health point of view. The down right corner, there is a red color drawing room is there. This is the living room is there. Very dark red color they put. That color room is in the north part of the house. When you come house, north part is an open place. Nice drawing room is there. My friend, north is a water. As I mentioned, north is a water. Water and fire is an anti. Everybody knows. You need not know Vastu. Simple person knows water and fire is an anti. Very anti against each other. When you put a water area red color, water will not happen. Anything. What happened? Water will get warmed out and evaporates. When water is evaporates, you feel suffocation. What it means, you don't feel comfort sitting in the room. You feel headache, you feel tension, you feel emotion, you don't take any decision, call each other, and you leads into the Alzheimer's, it leads into the head-related, mental-related problems. Guarantee you go and see anybody's house. If there is a north part of the house, there is a red, dangerous red color or maroon color, it affects. Go and see the white color drawing room. Very good, pleasant, peace of mind. See the blue color. This blue color is good in the north, but excess blue color lose immunity. Always running nose. Always you feel like uneasiness. Always you feel like weakness. Should not be more. Very simple blue color is good in that area. You see the green color, very nice green color is acceptable in the, if it is a north. Now I'm going to have the dining. Most of the dining rooms have the glass tables and glass windows, wide windows. You want to see open outside. My friend, is important that which direction is a dining table. This is a yellow color dining area. If it is a south part, there is no problem. If it is a north part, this yellow color dining section in the wall, you lose your job. First, you lose your job. Then you won't get any opportunities. If it is this yellow color is in the north, this red color is in the north, you lose your job, you lose your business, you start losing your clients. You start losing your clients. Maybe office, maybe home. But the same red color in the south part of your house, you get a very good name, very good fame, comfortable to sit at home doing the business across the globe. Many people ask, without traveling, how you do the business? I do. Because south is a red color, it creates fame, name, relax, enjoy your business. That way it affects. There is a color, see the glass is there, lot of glass is there. It is very good if it is a north part. If it is a south part, you are gone. No glass in the south part. The glass is equal to the water. This is again in the bedrooms. I want to talk a little more about the bedrooms, my friends. The bedroom, first identify location. Which location is your bedroom? Then, based on the location, choose the color. Don't choose the color first. You choose the bedroom location and choose the color. I'll take one example, this middle bedroom, very dark green bedroom. They like the green color. Okay, let them like. That can be in the east part of the building. If it is a southwest, I'll give the guarantee 90% wife and husband, they never sleep happily in that room. They are very happy outside the room. They are very happy wherever they go. They look like ideal couple, but they go to the bedroom gone. They're never happy. They lose their harmony. They never stay together. It leads into the even divorce also. It is many examples are there across the globe because of, I know Western countries and European countries clients. I talk to them very personally. I feel like they're my own sisters, the way I get information and personal information for my research. Then you can see this orange, very nice pink color. Hey, many people say that my daughter like a pink color. My wife like a pink color. Doesn't, okay, let them like. Where is the location of the room? If it is the south part, yes, I don't have problem. You can have the pink color. It should not be in the north part. First of all, you will not get a job. You will struggle for the getting business. You will struggle for getting the job. Why this colors effect? This color and elements are related to the relation is there. 5 elements are there. Each element has a one color. Each element has an enemy. Each element has a friend. Should use a friendly color or supporting color. You don't use what you like it. These are the color patterns. Another thing, this is one last slide in this session. Our murals are there. Very, very dangerous. You spend lakhs of rupees for the mural. They say that this is as per Vastu. What is fun as per Vastu? You need to use what is the material is important. What is the material is important, what to use it. It's very nice. Lord Buddha is there. There is a Kalpavruksha is there. Very nice designs are there. Please, my friends, look into that. What is the material is that? The Buddha is there with the brass. You should not use in the north part of that photo, that image, if it is the brass. But Buddha always use in the northeast only. That only will get a good peace of mind. But don't use the brass. Anybody is selling in the brass, don't buy it. Let go for the silver, white metal, or something material other than the brass and copper. You need to use it. See, these are the copper flowers. You put on the wall for the design. Don't do that. There's a lot of glass work. Yes, you can do the glass work if it is the north part of the building. Don't do in the south part of the building. It is very dangerous because glass is equal to the water. South is a fire. Where you fix the water and south fire together, they will not be existing together. Then you lose your confidence. You lose your name. You lose your money. Altogether, you lose your house. Okay. I want to take a few minutes about the directions. I talk about the colors, but you don't know what are the directions. You people talk about directions are 4 directions, like north, east, west, south. Or some people talk about 8 directions, north, east, northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, or northwest. But our ancient sciences, books written thousands years before, they mentioned 16 attributes in the building, 16 activities in the building, 16 proposals in the building, what you do. Means 16 equal parts should be there in the building to perform activities. That's called 16 directions. How to identify 16 directions? Very simple method I will explain here, my friends. I'll take a small square. This is a plot. For explaining purpose, I'm taking east stop. I'm taking east stop. You say that 4 corners, southeast, northeast, southwest, northwest, northeast. Very nice, very nice. All very equal is there. When you go to the vertical rectangle, also you say that same corners. When you go to the horizontal rectangle, also same thing. Vertical, horizontal or vertical, you say the corners are southeast, northeast. It is wrong. Always. This is a right southeast, this is a right northeast. Directions are depending on length, width of the building and true north. How to identify? You know that sun rises at 90 degrees. It moves right side 3 months, come back in 3 months. It's total 6 months. It goes left side 3 months, come back in 3 months, 6 months. It's called Uttarayana, Dakshinayana. That's totals 1 year. When it goes to right side, left side, it goes 11.25 degrees left, 11.25 degrees right. The total is 22.5 degrees. Only this much is east. Only this much is east. From the center, east is only 22.5 degrees. It's called 360 degrees divided by 16. Sorry, 360 degrees divided by 22.5 degrees, total 16. Every house has a 16 parts, like a 16 like east like a directions. 16 east like a direction in any house. This is called 16 directions you need to identify. If his house is 90 degrees exactly, 0 degrees exactly, you know that directions are very nice. But your house is 90 degrees crossed, then your southeast is wrong, your northeast is wrong. it is tilted depending on length, width, and true north. Now I will take a minute to explain what directions, what you get it. If you take a northeast, clarity in mind, you do better thing to create your own thoughts, ideas, where you can study, where you can meet, where you can treat. And go to the east of northeast, recreation and fun, enjoy, friends, meeting, very nice. Don't work, don't study here. It is only recreation. In northeast, you study well. East of northeast, don't study. You will enjoy. You will put a laptop here. You will enjoy. You will not study well. Don't put a books there. And east, you will get a good connection with some friends and society. East of southeast, this is a part you will create lot of anxiety. Put a toilet here. Don't put any office room. Don't put anything here in the between east and southeast. Southeast best for the liquid money, cash liquidity. Put a fire here, kitchen, oven, whatever the fire items you can put it, it compensates. See my friends, I put a colors based on the directions. South of southeast, power and confidence. And south, fame and relaxation. South of southwest, expenditure and disposal. Whatever you do this area, you lose. Whatever you do this area, it gets disposed out. For example, you have the dining table here. You eat here. You don't get absorbed food. You don't get immunity. You don't get energy. If you have your office room with the table here, whatever you do is, whatever you perform here in this place, that get disposed out. You don't get a identity. You don't get a credibility. You don't get a visibility. Finally, you will not get a result. Here is a southwest is called creativity. If you do whatever you do here, you get a nice creative ideas, you perform very well. You go to this direction, west of southwest, education and savings. Whatever you do here, real good place to save the money and study for higher education. And in the west, profit and margin. You want to get a more profit, more margins, sit here and discuss with a friend, sit here, do the business while looking into the east. And west of northwest, funny area, the depression detoxify. If you are very in the very mental tension, go and sit here, you detoxified. You are very comfortable person. If you spend here, you are in the depression. So you can have a washroom or storeroom here. Then comes the northwest, bank and support. Here you are the good friend support, you are the banking support, you are the loan support, you are director support, very good. Whatever support you need, you get from here. And finally, north of northwest is between north and northwest. It is related to sex. It is office attraction. Why in this house, this area get damaged? Most of cases I did on more than 60 cases, extramarital affairs. I found here north of northwest is damaged. Why? The wife and husband, they love each other, they stay together, they're very happy, they're strong in the financial, everything is fine, they're very happy, except they're not comfortable, they will not enjoy in their personal life. Then look into the alternate. That leads into the extramarital affairs. If there is a damage in the north of northwest in the house. If this office has the same problem, you lose your business, you lose attraction of your clients, you attract some other things other than the clients, then you lose your business. Or see, this is a blue color, opposite red color. By mistake, you have the red color in this area, the same impact you get it. By mistake, if there is a toilet in this area, same negative effect you get it. If I go to the north, you get a money here. What money? Based on your efforts, based on your job, based on your business, you get a money from the north. Opportunities created in the north. If north is damaged, what I said earlier, there is a drawing room in the north. There is a wall is red color. There is a window is red color curtains. There is a sofa is a red color in the north. Done. The red and blue is anti-colors. If you use anti-color here, you lose your opportunity. You lose your money gaining possibility. You lose your clients. You are on the road. And coming into the north of northeast, it gives health and immunity. It should be very clear, very neat, no bathrooms, no dark colors, pleasant colors, white color, light blue color. Then you never face health problem. It creates very nice immunity power. This is the way each and every house has 16 parts. Each and every part has its own attribute. You need to use the activity based on the science. Then you never face a problem. Already your house is there. You don't know all these things before today. You are doing some activities. Then sure, you may be facing some problem. I am there to help you how to come out of the problem, changing the color or activities, doing small changes where you get a best results, what I can support the people. Then some people talk about the puja rooms. Puja room can be wherever you want, you can use a puja, perform the puja. But some people love to do puja for particular god, then only you need to decide where can be the puja room. People follow Shiva, northeast, follow Radha Krishna, they can go east of northeast. People follow Rama, it can be good for east. People follow Balaji, good for the east. People follow, some people have the room, puja room is between southeast and east. Put some manthan scene, or put a Radha churning, or put a Kamadhenu, or if you have the puja at southeast, put a Durga. At south of southeast, put a Hanuman. If you like the Durga, Kali, put a south. You like a Saraswati, put a west of southwest. Put a Balaji, again put a west. You are related to the any other religion like a Sikh, Muslim, Christian, whoever it may be, follow Guru, put your puja room is west is good. You are Christian, do perform puja at west of your house, you will get a best solution. He will be connected you very well. You whatever you ask, he will give the wishing. He will bless you a lot. The way it works in the business, it is very different. I will take 1 more minute about the business. If we go to the northeast, it is a clarity in mind. It's good for the planning and finance, planning and HR team. East of northeast, only client waiting area, only PR area, public relation, only good. In east, only administration is good. East of southeast, only washroom and storeroom. And southeast, I was mentioned that it's a liquid money, put accounts department, they created more money. South of southeast, put a directors, accounts, finance. It's a very good people. They have the confidence to grow the company. South, yes, put the accountant people, marketing people. They are good name, and they get into the market, good the business. And south of southwest, the disposal. Whatever you do, the dispose is out. What you do, put a toilet. That is a disposal activity. And southwest, put MD, CEO, whoever is a technical person, put into the southwest. Whoever is the bank documents, bank related things, put into the west of southwest. Company owner who invested the money, put them into the west. And if you have the washroom and waste, put them into west of northwest. Your accountant, coordinator, director, project management, put into the northwest. Or cafeteria or marketing material, display material, put into the north of northwest. North is good for the sales, marketing, sourcing, telecallers. And north of northeast, only reception, HR is good for that. Northeast, HR is good for that. The way you need to accommodate, you never face the problem. Why I'm giving each and every time colors, these are the colors belongs to that areas, but that not indicates, don't put these colors in your house. Put a white color is the best color. Don't use any other color. If you want to use a color, use related color. Don't use an anti-color. Just a minute, I will just take one slide. Some slides I want to show is very important because most of Middle East Asia, Asian countries, people use it. Some people follow this, I'm getting hanging bells, Lord Buddha. These are the direction they can put the hanging bells. Lord Buddha can be northeast. Then if you go to the swords, can put in the north of northeast. If you have the Radha Krishna, keep in the east of northeast. I will share this information. This I'm explaining you. People are interested. I'll open the chat box. I'll give them my number, or you can take my number and just put me WhatsApp. I can share the information. See, the Chinese use the laughing Buddha. Laughing Buddha is not laughing Buddha. Is the Indian Hindus Kubera, Lord Kubera. Kubera means he has a good money. Kubera is money is with him. So they made some color and something changes and they put it as a laughing Buddha. But Hindus we call Kubera. You can keep in the only north, not entrance, opposite entrance, not opposite entrance. Put always in the north. In the line is power. Power. When you get a power, you have the full health, not wealth. If you are good health, then you will get a power. Where is health? North of northeast. Put a north of northeast. If a line, you have power. And eagle is the bird, very, very accuracy, very, very skilled bird. Very accuracy bird, the eagle. Where is the skills are there? Southwest. Put the eagle in the southwest. Then you see the result. But don't put everything in your house or office. Whatever you require, take a guidance and use it. Because you go to the shops, you buy all nasty things using that. Don't do that. Waste of your money. You don't get a result just like that. If you really see, you go to the white elephants are there, white horses are there. People keep in the south wall. Don't do that. If you find white horses, put in the north wall. You have the lovebirds. Lovebirds you only use for the people who didn't get the marriage. Lovebirds you can use the who are wife and husband facing the problem. They can keep in their bedroom. Why? Lovebirds has a significance. One bird dies, other bird get attempted suicide. They never stay single. One incidentally, accidentally, one bird die, other bird get attempted suicide. They will die immediately. That much love and affection symbol that can be placed in the bedroom where the couple sleep, or where young guy want to get a marriage, they can keep the lovebirds along with them to find the suitable lover. That is important. Some of these things, I'm going to share all these things too. See, money plant is very important. Keep it only north wall. Money plant is nothing but a watery indication. Place it only north wall. It has to climb. Then you will get a money plant will not give the money, please. Money plant create opportunity for the business which give the money. Okay. These are very nice animals. These only the one animal as a more active, proactive, alert animal. You keep in the one place where your depression or you are not, mood is not good. Keep in your room this pair of deers. Your mood will be very active, very, very proactive. That is indication of the deers. Then you have the industries there. There is no poor production is there. Leave the camel photo there in your industry corporate office. More production will be there. You want to reach globe, many countries. Your right hand side, your office, put a globe. Always touch the globe and roll the globe. You target which country you want to reach. Put your finger in that country. Just close your eyes. Your affirmation, start affirmation. I want to reach the country. For sure you will reach the country. That is the power of the law of attraction. Rabbits are there. They are very active, and dolphins. These are the, if you are thinking something else, you are unable to take a decisions, you are thinking more than what you're supposed to be. Use the rabbits or dolphins, dancing dolphins in your table. You see them. Immediately you spark, you get a spark. Wow, very good idea. Then you can go apply, you will get a result. That is the indication of this. Every animal, every object, there is a very good significance. You read behind of this animal, behind of this object. You connect with that. Don't blindly buy the things, whatever you find in the showroom. Then start practice and you can get it, a result. Some of these things I will share. I'll go most of the question answer session for the color. Okay, see this boy. When you sit in the between west and northwest in a house, when you spend more time west, between northwest and west, you feel life is very complicated. You are the depression, you don't want to live. If your sofa is there, your bedroom is there, whatever is there, you should try to avoid. In your office, this area, table is there, you can see the photo, people relax. They don't bother about company. And if it is a northeast, your office table, HR table, very politely talk to the people. He recruit very nice person. He will negotiation skills are more. He will recruit at the best offer. That is one of the example when you talk to the people, where you talk to the people, to whom you are talking to the people. You want to attract the people. You want to attract your clients. Go to the north of northwest and use your client data. Put your samples. You attract your clients. It is one of the best thing. When you want a placement, a documentation, very important. What color folder you are using? Please, my friend, it's very precisely need to look into that. Where are you keeping your documentation? Is a financial document, or business document, or client document, or your property document, whatever the document. Where are you keeping? Are you keeping the right place? Are you folding into the right color folder? This is very important. If I get a call that I'm having this problem, I will tell immediately your color folder is this color. Remove the color folder and throw away, keep in that other different color folder. Within 40 days, you will get a solution. I understand that what is in the color of the folder when you put a documents. I understand where you place the document based on this problem. So each colors are very important. Don't be crazy about the colors. Yes, you crazy about the colors if you know the signs of the color and the placement of the color and suitability of the color. See, sometime HR people sit in the east and southeast in between. The HR doesn't have the HR didn't talk well, then you're losing very nice person from your company. Always people say that I'm losing nice person because of HR, not because of you. Because the way HR will handle very wrong way. It's very important where HR is sitting. We have many examples how to use office and house colors. Red, orange, pink colors are not at all good in the northeast, north of northeast, north or northwest, southwest. Try to avoid dark colors always. Please try to avoid dark colors in the north part, light colors in the south part. That is a major takeaway today. In the washrooms are very important. What is important? Washrooms are the rooms, disposal activity. We have the 16 directions, 16 attributes. Wherever the washroom is there, the particular direction attribute get disposed out. Then you will not get a result. For example, this house toilet is in the east place. Toilet commode is the east location. East will give the nice society, nice friends, and good relation with the government and neighbors. If the toilet is there, you lose your society relationship. You have a regular problem with a neighbor. You have the regular problem with the government. That type of effect will come based on the toilets. It's very important. We know how to correct it without physical alteration. If they don't have problem, no issue. If there is a problem, you should try to connect with your toilet. Where is the location? Toilet means not total room. Maybe room, bigger room or small room, the toilet commode location is important. The staircase, the kitchen stove. My friend, I want to take a few seconds here. Latest modern kitchen stoves are coming, killing health of the wives. are killing the health of the maids who are cooking regularly standing in the kitchen. The stove has a glass top. Glass top is a water. The stove you are keeping in the southeast. First, it is killing of health, that is hormone imbalance, thyroid problem, insulin problem, iron problem, hemoglobin problem. Make sure that you can go and see any house. They are using glass top stoves from last 4 to 5 years. That is 90% of women has a problems, health problem related to iron, hemoglobin, insulin, thyroid. Some hormonal imbalance or monthly period problems. So it is advanced things you buy, use it, it is affecting a lot. It has a solution to come out of that, but I'm telling, please do be careful when you use any object items regularly in your house. Sales team. Washing machine is also important. Washing machine has a nature of the churning. It is churning like that. Most of the people they keep in the southeast next to the kitchen balcony. But what happened? With the washing machine will always churning. Then you think about your money. Oh, where I money get? Where can I get a more interest? Where I can invest? Where can go my money? Who can give the more interest? Where, which market give the more money? You start thinking more and more. You don't invest, you don't get a money. Only thinking, you don't do any job. That's the impact of the washing machine if you keep in the southeast. Each and every direction, each and every object has its own story. Because of the time I'm running, just for the example I'm explaining, I'm going to share this presentation, PDF file, whoever is allowed to know more. It is created almost 6 months, 3 months took the time during last lockdown. Now I'm planning to teach online course simply who are interested to know what is the introduction, what are the 5 elements, how to use the colors, how to place the activities. I'm planning on June 25th, 26th, 27, daily 5 hours, 12:30 to 3, 10 to 12:30, 3 to 5:30. 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours Zoom class. If you are interested, you can contact me on my mobile number. I'm just stopping my presentation. I hope I have done my best for the 1 hour, more than 1 hour. Then now I'm going for the question hour session.